In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Hootsuite for social media management free. This is a simple workflow you can follow to create a post, choose which social accounts it will go to, and schedule it so it publishes at the right time. As we go, follow along with what you see on your screen, especially the buttons and menus that appear in the Post Composer area. First, click Create a Post. This is the starting point for writing anything you want to share. When you select Create a Post, Hootsuite will bring up the composer where you can enter your message and decide how it should be delivered. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct screen, because this is where all your settings for the post will be located. Next, click Select Social Accounts. This step is important because it decides which profiles your post will publish to. In the Account Selection menu, you will typically see a list of the social channels you have connected. Before moving on, make sure you are looking at the correct list and that the accounts you plan to use are available. Now, select the social account you want to manage. Choose the specific profile that should receive your post. If you manage more than one account, you can usually select more than one during this stage, but the key thing is to be intentional. Selecting the right account helps you avoid posting to the wrong profile and keeps your content aligned with each audience. After that, enter your post text. This is where you write the message you want people to see. Keep in mind that different platforms may have different style expectations and character limits, so it helps to write clearly and review for accuracy. If your message includes a call to action, make sure it reads smoothly and matches the image or video you plan to include. Next, add an image or video if needed. If your post is meant to include visuals, this is the step where you attach them. Look for the option to upload or add media, and then choose the file from your device. If you are not using media for this particular post, you can skip this part and continue. But if you do add media, double-check that it displays correctly in the preview area. Then click Schedule for later. This step changes your workflow from posting immediately to publishing at a chosen time. Scheduling is useful because it helps you stay consistent even when you are not actively online. When you click Schedule for later, the interface should prompt you to select a date and time. Now, select the date and time. This part usually appears as a calendar and time selector. Choose when you want the post to go out and pay attention to the time zone setting if one is shown. A small timing error can cause your post to publish at an unexpected moment, so it is worth verifying everything before you finalize. Finally, click Schedule. This confirms the post and places it into your scheduled queue. After you schedule, you should be able to view the post in the calendar or scheduled items area, depending on how your Hootsuite layout is set up. If you see a confirmation message or the post appears in the scheduled list, that is a good sign that everything worked correctly. And that covers the full process for creating and scheduling a post using Hootsuite for social media management for free. Once you complete these steps a couple of times, the workflow will feel quick and natural, and you will be able to spend more time on the content and less time on manual posting. And that is all there is to it.